Well, look what just came in the mail. I got my spindle from my CNC. This is a 5 horsepower spindle. The thing is a monster. It is heavy too. I didn't realize it was as heavy as it was. I haven't got the VFD yet, but that should be here Friday. I've also been working on this weird looking thing here. This is the dust shoe for my current setup with the router. Of course, now that thing comes in when I'm just about done with it. Go figure, but whatever. Is what it is. This is gonna be probably what I'll sell the machine with the router slash this thing. So I'm trying to get this set up now, and it should be a lot more rigid than it was. I've also started painting it, as you could tell. I got it all taped up, semi-painted already. Still got a little ways to go. I'm doing it in stages because I'm doing it in a garage. Unfortunately, it's winter time, very limited ventilation, and you know, I can't stink the house out because my garage is attached. So I'm just trying to do, you know, a little bit by bit. But whatever. Quick update, just showing you guys what's going on. I also attached the outlet for the router, so the machine now, Mach 3 turns the router on and off within the program. But that's it. I'll be in touch when I get this baby set up. Talk soon.